So as you can probably tell by the thumbnail, I've struggled with dry lips my entire life. And I've tried every single product like Vaseline, lip balm, lip repair, and all of these things didn't work. But a couple months ago, I stumbled upon a product which wasn't really popular. It wasn't really topping all the lists. It wasn't really recommended by anyone. And then I thought to myself, look, I've tried so many products, they haven't worked. Why not give this a try and maybe it'll work? And honestly, this product in question has saved my life, bro. You do not understand. It is none other than this Burt's Beeswax lip balm. And the thing I love about it most is the fact that it's beeswax. It covers your lips and seals it for a long time. I tried shea butter, Vaseline, trying locking in the moisture, but it didn't work. But this, bro, so underrated. Plus it even has a nice minty peppermint smell and a bit of sting to your lips, which plumps them and makes them look a bit more healthy. And after just one application, you can just tell the difference that my lips have. And it just took one swipe. One swipe was all it took. The one thing to keep in mind with this beeswax is you have to press it kind of hard on your mouth. And the thing is, if you don't press it hard, it won't apply properly. So just keep that in mind. You need friction and heat and force when you apply it. And that's really all for me. I just want to make this video so I can help a bunch of people out there and show them that beeswax is honestly a much better alternative to all of these. Now with that being said, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.